Well, morning folks. Welcome back on board Potemkin. It's a bit of a wet one out there. We'll have a look. Well, it's a bit of a wet day. It's bank holiday. What more do we expect? But anyway, we'll crack on. It's drying up a bit. But we'll not get wet on board here anyway, because we're putting panels on roof here. So we've made a start on it. We'll have a look at first one I've cut. And also finished panelling these sides above the gunnels. They're all done now. Foamed them up above. Solid as a rock now, all this. So we're finally cracking on. So now I need to get ceiling sorted. So I've got 3 panels, half of one up there. I'll get so far down here and then just get what's left another day. Down here, shifted everything around again because I was missing having not done that. So we've cleared up a bit and made room. And we've got the first ceiling board up. Well, it's temporarily up. I'm now going to put it up permanently. I just put it up yesterday and just left it there with them props holding it up. So we'll get that up. And then I've got Steve coming in. He's going to give me an hand to get the big boards on up here. See how far down we get. Right, let's get them up. Right, so going to be back breaking. Looking up there, putting under the screws in. That's first one up. So we'll get the other boards ready. That's those, what we got up, 1, 2, 3, 4 boards. So we've got this bit left now, so that's another 2 boards I think. So that's hard work that. You don't realise how hard it is, so thanks to Steve, my mate next door, who helped us with that. You can't do that work on your own. So, anyway, we'll have 10 minutes for half an hour now, we'll have kettle on. Right, that's it, we've had a bite to eat. It's absolutely poured it down, it's turned cold. I don't know what to do today. It's blowing a gale now. So, we've got this hot up to here. So, we're back here. And we've got this to fill in, which is 2 more sheets of that. So we're down, all the way down now. This skylight will make a frame that goes all around in there and then a trim around here. So we won't see that. So down this end we've got that to fill in. and that to fill in. So we're going to get us board out and we're going to cut this lot so we can do both sides of that. I've got enough stuff for that. But they're going to have to come back up because these first 3 boards here I've got to swap. There were thinner boards of 18mm boards instead of 22mm thick. So they're coming up, but it don't matter, we can just do this, and if I take the side ones off, well, to change them, that's what we'll have to do. So we'll get a board and we'll get on with that. Right, so we got, that's the board going in, but we've obviously got to come over this. So we're going to use some of this PSE to form a box there, and then we'll put ply on the film. So that's what I'm doing next, and then it's going to be flat back to there. Right, that's it for this one, folks. There we are, all covered up. Yeah, they'll do the job fine. Not took a lot of ceremony with them because they're never going to be seen, actually. They'll be out of sight, that'll be behind a cupboard there. We've got to, so we place these 3 boards and then a board along there which will be a hatch, and what I've got in there like steelwork for ballast. If I need to move it to one side to the other, I can do all that if you can get to it, and you could put more in if you needed at one side. But that'll be final trimming up when everything's finished. So that's it for them now, and we'll have a step up here to the door. So next thing is we'll get these 3 planks, these 3 boards swapped. I might make the door next, get a door made. It'll be a pocket door, it'll be sliding, so it'll go back into there. And we'll get some rollers. In fact, I got some time ago, I've got some rollers for it. So we'll make a door up, and that'll be that. I don't know what to do out there. We're pitch black again. It's really throwing it down. Not long back, then some came out, now it's gone mucky again. So hoping to go out there and have a fish for a bit. We'll see. So that's it, folks, for today anyway. End of bank holiday. So I've had a couple of days on boat. Got these boards on ceiling, 2 more boards on ceiling. Sides are finished, trimmed up, which is great. I just need to get these swapped, and then we can start building rooms in here. So a bathroom to build, etc. So looking forward to that. I finally getting the boat back, and so it'll be turning into a proper finished boat then, better to make the, instead of just cladding stuff. Anyway, that's all coming, all plumbing, electrics, everything like that. So thanks everybody, thanks for your comments you leave, and thanks for liking and subscribing, etc. And I'll see you all soon. Ta-ra!